Join me as I dive into the world of DeFi stocks and try to predict what's next for this booming market. The world of decentralized finance, or DeFi, has been turning heads in the financial markets. It's a space that's growing rapidly, with new innovations and projects popping up all the time. But what exactly are DeFi stocks, and why should we care? Simply put, DeFi stocks are shares in companies that are building the infrastructure for this new financial system. They're an exciting area of investment, but they're also fraught with challenges. DeFi stocks are facing some tough times, with regulatory scrutiny and market volatility being major concerns. There's a lot of uncertainty around how governments will regulate DeFi, and that uncertainty is making investors nervous. We're seeing huge price swings in DeFi stocks, which can be both exciting and terrifying for investors. The lack of clear guidelines is making it tough for investors to make informed decisions. And let's not forget the risks associated with investing in a space that's still largely untested. Another challenge facing DeFi stocks is the risk of market manipulation. With the rise of decentralized exchanges, there's a growing concern that some players are manipulating the market to their advantage. This can lead to huge losses for unsuspecting investors. The DeFi space is also facing issues with scalability, as some platforms are struggling to handle the volume of transactions. Despite these challenges, there are some exciting trends emerging in the DeFi space. One of the most promising areas is the development of new lending protocols. These protocols are allowing users to lend and borrow money in a decentralized way, which could potentially disrupt traditional banking. We're also seeing a lot of innovation in the area of stablecoins, which are cryptocurrencies pegged to the value of a traditional currency. These stablecoins are providing a more stable store of value in the DeFi space. The investor sentiment is also shifting, with more and more people becoming interested in DeFi. We're seeing a lot of new investors entering the space, which is driving growth and innovation. But what does the future hold for DeFi stocks? What can we expect to see in the coming months and years? Recent reports and expert analysis are providing some valuable insights into the future of DeFi stocks. One of the key takeaways is that we're likely to see more consolidation in the space, as smaller players get snapped up by larger ones. We're also likely to see more institutional investment in DeFi, as traditional investors start to take notice of the potential here. Some experts are predicting huge growth in the DeFi space, with some estimates suggesting that it could reach trillions of dollars in the next few years. The evolution of DeFi is happening rapidly, and it's exciting to think about what's on the horizon. As this space continues to mature, we can expect to see more innovation and growth. To sum it all up, the future of DeFi stocks is looking bright, but it's not without its challenges. We've got regulatory uncertainty, market volatility, and scalability issues to contend with. But we've also got some exciting trends emerging, and a growing interest in the space. So, what do you think is next for DeFi stocks? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to learn more about DeFi innovations, be sure to check out my previous video.